Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox ping spikes on PC. So let's begin. Now whether you're on Windows 11 or Windows 10, click on the start button. From here, let's search for Roblox. And then after you find the Roblox player, click on open file location. And as you can see, this is another shortcut. So since this is a shortcut, we're going to right click on it. And then we're going to click on open file location again. Now as you can see, we have the Roblox player beta. Let's right click on it again, and then we're going to click on properties. From here, go to digital signatures tab, and then right click on Roblox Corporation, and then left click on Roblox Corporation to select this option. After that, click on details. Now from here, click on view certificate, and then click on install certificate. From here, I'm going to select current user and click on next. After that, select automatic, and then click next. Click on finish, and then certificate import will be successful. After that, your ping spikes issue should be resolved on your PC. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.